Krisp audio not working? Yeah, that's super frustrating. Especially when you can't hear anything or no one can hear you. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. All right, first, make sure Krisp is selected as both your microphone and speaker in your app. I mean, if it's not selected, audio won't go through. Next, open Krisp and check your input device. Yeah, make sure your real microphone is selected. Now, verify your output device too. I mean, your speakers or headphones should be set correctly inside Krisp. Okay? Go to your system sound settings and make sure nothing is muted. Low volume or mute can block audio completely. Next, restart Krisp and your calling app. Yeah, this clears temporary glitches. If you're using other audio tools, disable them. I mean, conflicts can break audio completely. Also, make sure Krisp has microphone and audio permissions. Without access, it won't work. Finally, update or reinstall Krisp. Yeah, this fixes bugs and corrupted files. So yeah, that's how you fix Krisp audio not working. One of these steps should get your sound back instantly. If this helped, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.